Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to claim the investment interest expense deduction on Turbotax. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into it. Now the first step, of course, is going to be to determine your eligibility. So first you're going to determine if you're eligible for the investment interest expense deduction, and you can verify that on Turbotax website. If you are, the next step is going to be to collect your investment interest expense documents, including your form 4952. Next step is going to be to just sign into your Turbotax account on the Turbotax website using your email address and your password. And once you're logged in, just select the tax year that you want to claim the deduction for. And then you're going to choose deductions and then select investment interest expense as your deduction type. Once that's done, go ahead and enter your deduction information, including, of course, your investment interest expense amount. Next step is going to be to claim the deduction based on your eligibility and deduction information. And final step is just to review your deduction claim, just to make sure that everything is accurate. And if it is, go ahead and submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take care of the rest. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to claim the investment interest expense deduction on Turbotax. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.